PTC Creo Advanced Assembly Extension, or AAX, enables organizations to improve the productivity of multiple designers who need to work concurrently on assemblies. It also includes tools that support the design of assembly variants and creation of assembly process plans. In many cases, it is not practical or efficient to work with an entire assembly, but the design intent needs to be maintained at the subassembly level. This is especially true for very large assemblies and distributed teams. Using AAX, critical design information can be incorporated into subassemblies to ensure that the parametric relationships are maintained. In this case, the lead designer identifies what information each team member requires to effectively develop their subassembly. The critical design information is then shared with the individual subassemblies, enabling team members to complete their tasks concurrently while working within the context of the full assembly. In this example, 4 designers working on different parts of the train assembly, including the truck, structure, interior, and door. Each designer working in parallel further details their individual subassembly, and they can confidently design with the knowledge that if the lead designer changes the primary design intent, their subassembly will adapt. Additionally, since critical design information is shared across the team, designers don't have to worry about their changes impacting the work of other team members. However, when the team members are ready to begin sharing information on their specific subassemblies, this is easily accomplished. This ability to truly support concurrent engineering provides your design team with significant productivity benefits. With the carriage interior updated to reflect new design intent from the carriage structure, the designer can clearly see that an interference exists using dynamic cross-sectioning. This problem can now be easily resolved using standard tools available in PTC Creo Parametric, such as measuring. And since this work has been done in parallel, the designer only needs to make a small change to the height of the seat to finalize their design. Whereas in this stage in the non-concurrent engineering process, the carriage interior designer may only be starting their tasks. With the individual seat design finalized, the remainder of the carriage interior can now be completed. In this case, using the robust patterning capabilities in PTC Creo Parametric. PTC Creo Advanced Assembly Extension enables more effective collaboration for design teams who need to work concurrently on assemblies. And with additional tools to support the generation of assembly variants and creation of assembly process plans, AAX can help you to drive greater productivity within your product development process.